So you have the MC server setup like me, but you cannot connect to the server, and there is a solution to this, and in this video I'm going to show you live how you can solve this problem in just 1 minute. So first of all, I'm just going to demonstrate how the problem is showing. So if I go to multiplayer and try to direct connect to my server or maybe to the local server, I am already have the running the local PaperMC here. So I'm just trying to connect to the server. So if I try, you can see fail to connect to the server and fail to verify the username. Basically this problem is happening for your server is in online mode. There is a quick way that you can turn that to offline mode, and I'm going to show you. So now we just stop our the MC server, just type stop, and it will automatically stop it and exit the terminal. After that we need to update a file inside our MC server. So our server just stopped. Now what we need to do, we just need to go to our MC server folder, and from here you will see this option. It said server properties. Basically you need to right click on this and then go to the edit in notepad, and then from here you need to edit something, and that is you need to make it in offline mode. For this you just need to go to on the online mode option, and you can see it's right now turned on to true, but we need to make it false. So I'm just updating to false. That's it. Now just go to file and save. So our MC server setup have done. Now what I need to do, run the server. Just run the server from here. So now we're loading the PaperMC server. So now our server is completely running. You can see the last line timing reset. That means server is up and running. Now I again go to Minecraft, and now we'll try to connect it. So go to multiplayer and go to direct connection. Now just click to join server. So now you can see our player is connected and it is showing that joining to the world. So it will take a little time and it will be successfully connected. You can see logged in with the entity ID. So our server is connected to our username, and by this way you can solve this problem in your PaperMC server through Minecraft username problem. I hope this video helped and you can solve this problem and play your Minecraft right now. So thanks for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.